Some prayers are not spoken with the tongue. They are whispered by the heart. Sometimes you want to tell Allah everything, but you cannot find the words. Your heart feels heavy, your thoughts are racing, and you just sit there in silence, looking up at the sky. But here is the beautiful truth. Allah does not need your words to understand your pain. Before you even form a sentence in your mind, He already knows what your heart is feeling. Human beings can only hear what we say, but Allah hears what we hide. He knows the tears you never showed anyone. He understands the worries you never explained. Even your silence becomes a prayer to Him. Allah reminds us in the Holy Quran, "Indeed, my Lord is near and responsive," which means, even before you ask, He is already listening. Think about a mother. She understands the cry of her baby even before the baby learns to speak. And Allah's mercy is far greater than that. He knows exactly why you feel tired. He knows what fear is keeping you awake tonight. He knows the silent battle inside your heart. You may feel alone in this world, but you are never alone with Allah. So tonight, do not worry about finding the perfect words. Just turn to Him. Bring your silence, bring your tears, bring your hopes. Because a heart that sincerely turns to Allah is never ignored, and a prayer whispered by the heart is always heard by the One who created it. Ya Allah, You know what is hidden in our hearts. You know the worries we cannot explain. We place our silent fears in Your hands. Grant us the peace that only You can give. Ameen. If you believe Allah hears even your silent prayers, type Ya Sami, hear me, in the comments. And if this reminder touched your heart, like this video and share it. Because sometimes a simple reminder can bring peace to a struggling heart.